Question 21. How do you secure Azure DevOps pipelines? To secure Azure DevOps pipelines, I utilize features like Role-Based Access Control (RBAC), secure service connections, secure variables, and implement security best practices. This ensures that only authorized users have access to sensitive information and pipelines. Question 22. How do you troubleshoot a failed deployment in Azure DevOps? When troubleshooting a failed deployment in Azure DevOps, I start by checking the logs to identify the issue. I then review the configuration, dependencies, and permissions to pinpoint the root cause and make necessary adjustments. Question 23. How do you integrate Azure DevOps with other tools in the development workflow? I integrate Azure DevOps with other tools like Jira, Slack, GitHub, and Docker using built-in extensions or custom scripts. This helps streamline the development workflow, improve collaboration, and automate repetitive tasks. Question 24. Can you explain the concept of infrastructure as code (IAC) in the context of Azure DevOps? Infrastructure as code (IAC) is the practice of managing and provisioning infrastructure through code rather than manual processes. In Azure DevOps, I use tools like ARM templates, Terraform, or Ansible to automate the deployment of resources. Question 25. How do you optimize Azure DevOps pipelines for performance? To optimize Azure DevOps pipelines for performance, I follow best practices like using caching, parallel jobs, incremental builds, and optimizing resource utilization. This helps reduce build times, improve efficiency, and save costs. Question 26. How do you handle secrets and sensitive information in Azure DevOps? I store secrets and sensitive information in Azure Key Vault or Azure Pipelines variable groups. I then reference these securely stored secrets in pipelines using environment variables or secure variables to prevent exposure. Question 27. How do you ensure high availability and scalability in Azure DevOps infrastructure? I ensure high availability and scalability in Azure DevOps infrastructure by leveraging Azure's built-in features like load balancers, auto-scaling, geo-replication, and redundant storage. This ensures continuous availability and performance under varying workloads. Question 28. Can you explain the difference between Azure DevOps build and release pipelines? Azure DevOps build pipelines are used to compile, test, and package code, while release pipelines are used to deploy the built artifacts to target environments. Build pipelines focus on building code, whereas release pipelines focus on deployment. Question 29. How do you ensure compliance and governance in Azure DevOps? I ensure compliance and governance in Azure DevOps by implementing policies, auditing configurations, enforcing access controls, and monitoring activities. This helps maintain regulatory compliance, security standards, and operational efficiency. Question 30. How do you monitor and analyze the performance of Azure DevOps pipelines? I monitor the performance of Azure DevOps pipelines using built-in monitoring tools like Azure Monitor, Application Insights, and custom dashboards. I analyze metrics, logs, and alerts to identify bottlenecks and optimize pipeline performance. Welcome to CloudRoar CSPM, your intelligent cloud security posture management platform. In today's hybrid and multi-cloud world, maintaining visibility and control across AWS, Azure, and Google Cloud can be complex. CloudRoar CSPM simplifies that by continuously scanning all your cloud accounts, configurations, and workloads. Our platform automatically detects misconfigurations, compliance violations, and potential security risks before they become incidents. CloudRoar CSPM provides clear, actionable insights mapped to major frameworks like CIS, NIST, and ISO standards, helping your teams remediate faster and stay audit-ready at all times. Strengthen your security posture. achieve continuous compliance, and take control of your multi-cloud environment with CloudRoar CSPM, security that's smart, scalable, and proactive. Introducing CloudRoar Cost Optimization, your unified platform for smarter cloud spending across AWS, Azure, and Google Cloud. Cloud costs can grow silently, but CloudRoar gives you full visibility and control. Our engine continuously analyzes usage patterns, instance sizing, and idle resources to uncover hidden savings. With intelligent recommendations powered by real-time data, CloudRoar helps you right-size resources, eliminate waste, and maximize return on every dollar spent in the cloud. Get detailed reports, actionable cost insights, and automation that ensures continuous optimization without compromising performance. Optimize confidently, scale efficiently, and make every cloud dollar count with CloudRoar Cost Optimization. Efficiency meets intelligence. Welcome to CloudRoar CSPM, your intelligent cloud security posture management platform. In today's hybrid and multi-cloud world, maintaining visibility and control across AWS, Azure, and Google Cloud can be complex. CloudRoar CSPM simplifies that by continuously scanning all your cloud accounts, configurations, and workloads. Our platform automatically detects misconfigurations, compliance violations, and potential security risks before they become incidents. CloudRoar CSPM provides clear, actionable insights mapped to major frameworks like CIS, NIST, and ISO standards, helping your teams remediate faster and stay audit-ready at all times. Strengthen your security posture, achieve continuous compliance, and take control of your multi-cloud environment with CloudRoar CSPM, security that's smart, scalable, and proactive.